NHTSA recently acknowledged a recall for nearly 444,000 Ram 2,500, 3,500, 4,500 and 5,500 trucks built between 2013 and 2017 with Cummins 6.7-liter diesel engines. The issue is that the water pump might do the exact opposite of keeping the engine cool. According to documents from Fiat-Chrysler and NHTSA, Concentric-brand water pumps without vent holes could suffer bearing failure, as well as start leaking coolant. This exposes coolant to hot parts of the engine, and the pump itself can become a hot part. Not all Cummins-equipped Ram trucks will be affected. If your Ram has a water pump from a different brand, or it uses a concentric pump with some kind of vent holes, you shouldn't have any issues. In fact, the fix will be to replace the non-vented pump with a vented version. Owners with affected vehicles will be able to bring their trucks into a Chrysler dealer, where the water pump will be replaced at no charge. FCA will begin notifying owners of the issue starting on November 1st. Owners can also get in touch with Chrysler's customer service department at 1-800-853-1403 and should ask about Recall T51.